Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn Standard 7's Practice Set 1. Here we have 3 questions on Practice Set 1. The first question is, draw line segments of the lengths given below and draw their perpendicular bisectors. Here we have 3 sub-questions. First one is 5.3 cm. The second one is 6.7 cm and the third one is 3.8 cm. In last standard, we learned how to draw a perpendicular bisector for a segment and for a line. Here we are going to use that steps to draw the given perpendicular bisectors for given line segments. To draw this, we are going to use scale, pencil and compass. These 3 objects we need to draw this perpendicular bisector for given line segments. So let's start to draw perpendicular bisector for given line segments. The first step is draw the line segment of given length. Here let's draw it with the help of scale and pencil. In your scale, take the distance 5.3. Start from 0 and end at 5.3. Let 4 to 5 lines on upper side. So can we easily draw perpendicular bisector for it. Now let's take a point here at 0. Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and count these 3 lines after 5. 1, 2 and 3. Here we have the measure 5.3. Take 2 points like this and join these 2 points. This distance is 5.3 and these points are called endpoints of line segment. We learned it in last standard. Now the second step is give it the name. Here the name is not mentioned, so we can give the name at our own choice. Let's give it A and B. Now take your compass. This is our compass and this is the metal point of compass. Place the compass metal point at A here like this and taking a distance greater than half of the length of segment AB. This is our segment AB. The length of segment AB is 5.3 cm. Let's write here the length. Now we have to take the distance greater than half the length of segment AB. Let's take it. Extend your compass. This one is greater than half. This one is greater than half. Now draw 2 arcs, one below and one above segment AB. Draw it. One below of our segment AB like this and one is on the upper side like this. Now place the compass metal point at B. We are going to use the same distance. There's no need to change the distance. We have to use the same distance to draw arcs to intersect the previous arcs. Draw them from point B like this. Here we get two intersecting points. Two arcs are intersect at this point, and on downside or another side of AB, two arcs are intersect at this point. Let's join these 2 points, and then we can get the perpendicular bisector of our segment. Let's join them with the help of scale. Like this. Shows arrows here. This is our perpendicular bisector for segment AB, which have a distance 5.3 centimeter. Now let's draw for our second question 6.7 centimeter. Leave 4 to 5 lines on upper side and then draw 6.7 centimeter. And then draw a line segment of 6.7 centimeter. Let's start from 0 here, and here is 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have to take 6 and 7. Take here point, join them. This is our line segment. Give it a name PQ. This one is 6.7 centimeter. Now what we have to do? We have to take a compass and take a convenient distance which is greater than half of the length PQ from P. Like this. Extend your compass. Now we have to draw two arcs, one below and one above of the segment PQ. One below and one above. Now place this metal point on Q and intersect the previous arcs like this. Here we get 2 points. Join these 2 points with the help of scale. Like this. Show arrows here. This is the perpendicular bisector of segment PQ or given segment, which have a length 6.7 centimeter. Now we have to draw for third. The third one is 3.8 centimeter. Now let's take a scale and draw the line segment of 3.8 centimeter with the help of pencil. Always use pencil and make sure that it is sharpened to draw the given figures. Look, here we have 3 and we have to count these lines up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 3.8. Let's take a mark here. Now join these two. This one is 3.8 centimeter. 3.8 centimeter. Show its measurement. Now let's take compass. First of all, give a name. Let's give it the name CD. Now we have segment CD. Let's take a compass and we have to put a metal point of compass on point C. Let's put and take a distance greater than half of the CD, that is 3.8. This is greater than half of the CD. Now we have to draw arcs, one above segment CD and one at below segment CD. Now put your metal point of compass on point T. Taking the same distance, we are going to draw arcs to intersect the previous arcs like this. Here we get 2 points. Join these 2 points with the help of scale like this. Show arrows here. This is the perpendicular bisector of 3.8 centimeters line segment. Hope you understand how to draw perpendicular bisector for given line segment. Let's practice it. Take various type of distance and draw line segments at your own and practice it very well. This is the first part of our practice set 1. In next part, we are going to solve the question number 2. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. See you in next video.